Meaning of Gene Tunney.
Gene Tunney.
Gene Tunney.
Gene Tunney.
Gene Tunney. Gene Tunney was an American professional boxer who held the World Heavyweight Championship title from 1926 to 1928. He was known for his technical boxing skills and his ability to outmaneuver his opponents in the ring. In his most famous fight, the long-count rematch against Jack Dempsey in 1927, Tunney won by decision after the referee took longer than usual to count a knockdown. Tunney retired from boxing in 1928 with a record of 65 wins, 1 loss, and 1 draw. He is considered one of the greatest boxers of all time.